Ciao, I'm Chiara from Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy cardigan. Cardigans are the perfect layering garment. They slip on easily and can be worn over almost anything to give a finished look to your outfit. For this project I use 8 skeins of Gipsy from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And I use 1 skein of Palau and a 5mm hook. I use this kit from Prim. Okay, now we are going to create a big rectangle like this. But in this tutorial I'm going to work a little sample to show you better this easy partner. For this partner we need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 3 plus 1. So for this little sample, chain 17. 15 plus 2, 17 chains. So now we do 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3 in the 4th we do 1 double crochet. Now we skip the next 2 chains, then we do 3 double crochets all in the same chain into the next chain. Okay, now we skip the next 2 chains again, then we do 3 double crochets into the 3rd. And of course repeat this sequence until the end of this row. So first skip the next 2 chains, then we do 3 double crochets into the next one. Now we skip the next 2 chains, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 2 chains. And the first row is now complete. For row 2, first chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet. Then turn the work and now we do 3 double crochets into this space, the space between the double crochet and the group of 3 double crochets. Now we jump directly into the next space between the group where we do 3 double crochets more. Now we move directly into the next space here where we do another group of 3 double crochets. Now we do another group of 3 double crochets into the next space. Then we do 1 double crochet into the top of chain 3. And this is the second row of the partner. And now we're going to repeat this set of 2 rows. So let's repeat it together one more time. So first chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet in this space here. Then we jump into the next spaces where we do another group of 3 double crochets. And now we do 1 double crochet into this space, then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete the first row of the pattern. So now let's repeat the 2nd row of the pattern. So first chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we do 3 double crochets into this first space. And we continue to do a group of 3 double crochets in each space. Now we do the last group in this last space, a group of 3 double crochets. Then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain. So all we have to do now is to repeat these last 2 rows. So let's repeat together one more time, the last time. Chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we do 1 double crochet into this first space here. So in the first row of the pattern we start with 2 double crochets, then we jump directly into the space between the group where we do another group of 3 double crochets and continue to do this until the end of this row. And now we do 1 double crochet into this space, then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete the first row of the pattern. And now we are going to repeat together the 2nd row of the pattern. So first chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work, and now we do the first group of 3 double crochets into this first space. And of course we move directly into the next space where we do another group of 3 double crochets and continue to do this until the end of this row. Then we do the last group into the last space here. Then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete the 2nd row of the pattern. So all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will reach the desired length. To create my big rectangle, we start with 170 chains and we will repeat the 2 rows of the pattern for a total of 62 rows. So now my rectangle is about 126 centimeters wide or 50 inches and 78 centimeters long or 23 inches. So all we have to do now is to fold enough this rectangle in this way. Then we are ready to take the measurement of the shoulder, so we leave an open part about 16 centimeters or 6 inches. So fold enough the big rectangle, and now I suggest to place some sewing clips and remember, leave an open part, the shoulder open part, leave a part about 16 centimeters or 6 inches. And of course, do the same on the other side. So now grab a simple thread and needle, then sew along this line, and of course do the same on the other side. Okay, now fold the cardigan in this way because we are ready to create a nice finish, a nice and simple finish all the way around. So now we are going to do a simple double crochet row round all the way around, and to do this I will change my yarn. So grab palau and insert the hook into the corner of the shoulder, near the upper corner of the shoulder, and all we have to do is to do one double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So insert the hook, grab the new yarn, then chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then we do one double crochet into the each a double crochet of the previous row. So now pay attention when you don't have a clear stitch because we are upside down. I suggest to do 2 double crochets in each of this space, then 1 double crochet into this loop here. So remember, 2 double crochets into this space, then 1 double crochet in this loop. This loop is the base of the 3 double crochets group of the previous row. And continue to repeat this all the way around. And of course join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. All we have to do now is to repeat this double crochet round for a total of 2 rounds more. So now we are ready to do the same in each armhole. I will show you the armhole I've done before, and as you can see now I have done 2 rounds, so 3 rounds around the neck and the body, and 2 rounds of simple double crochet into each armhole. So insert the hook, grab the yarn. In this case, chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then 1 double crochets into the same stitch, and continue to do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and we will do a total of 2 rounds. Okay, now I'm ready to cut the yarn, of course, and weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. And now let me show you the finished Gypsy cardigan. There are cardigans for every season of the year, even summer when the evenings can get a little chilly like this one. This project is very easy and quick to do. Beginner-friendly design using basic crochet stitches to create an open lace partner. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your gypsy cardigan. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!